The moment the 2026 Honda HR-V enters the frame, it doesn't shout for attention, it earns it. There's a quiet confidence in its stance, a refined calm that immediately separates it from the noise of the segment. This is not a car trying to be aggressive or loud. This is a vehicle designed for people who understand progress, balance, and modern simplicity. Honda takes everything it has learned over decades and distills it into a compact SUV that feels grown up, intelligent, and effortlessly stylish. From the very first glance, the HR-V feels sculpted rather than assembled. The body lines flow naturally, as if shaped by wind rather than metal presses. The front fascia is clean, modern, and sharp, with a grille that feels purposeful instead of decorative. Slim LED headlights stretch confidently across the face, giving the car a focused expression, calm, alert, and ready. The lighting signature isn't just about visibility, it's about identity. In white, the design becomes even more striking, reflecting showroom lights like polished marble, emphasizing every curve and crease. The proportions are just right. Compact enough to feel agile in city streets, yet solid and planted enough to feel reassuring on the highway. The hood is slightly raised, giving the driver a subtle sense of command, while the roofline flows smoothly toward the rear, balancing sportiness with practicality. Honda doesn't chase trends, it refines them. The result is a design that won't feel outdated in 5 or even 10 years. Move around to the side and the HR-V reveals its true character. Strong shoulder lines run cleanly from front to rear, creating a sense of motion even when standing still. The wheel arches are subtly pronounced, giving the vehicle a confident, athletic posture without looking bulky. The alloy wheels, precisely designed and perfectly proportioned, complete the look with quiet sophistication. This is design that respects restraint, and that restraint is exactly what makes it premium. At the rear, the HR-V continues its calm confidence. The taillights are sleek and modern, stretching across the back with a refined light signature that feels futuristic without being flashy. The tailgate design is clean and practical, while subtle chrome accents add just enough elegance. Everything feels intentional. Nothing feels forced. It's the kind of design that grows on you more with every look. Step inside, and the story deepens. The interior of the 2026 Honda HR-V is where Honda's philosophy truly comes alive. This is not about overwhelming screens or complicated controls. This is about clarity, comfort, and connection. The dashboard is clean and horizontal, creating a sense of width and openness. Materials feel solid, well assembled, and thoughtfully chosen. Soft touch surfaces greet your hands, while textured trims add visual interest without distraction. The driving position feels instantly natural. The seat supports you perfectly, offering comfort for long journeys while maintaining enough firmness for confident driving. Visibility is excellent, with slim pillars and a well-designed windshield that makes the outside world feel closer and more connected. You don't feel boxed in, you feel in control. The steering wheel fits perfectly in your hands, with intuitive controls that respond effortlessly. Every button feels precise, every switch reassuring. Honda understands that true luxury isn't about excess, it's about things working exactly the way you expect them to. The infotainment system sits proudly at the center, clear and responsive, offering seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Navigation, media, and vehicle settings are all easily accessible, designed to reduce distraction rather than create it. The digital display is crisp, bright, and easy to read, even in direct sunlight. Climate controls remain physical, because Honda knows that real drivers appreciate tactile feedback. Adjusting temperature or fan speed feels immediate and intuitive, allowing you to stay focused on the road. This balance between digital and physical is where the HR-V truly shines. The cabin feels airy and calm. Premium lighting subtly illuminates the interior at night, creating a soothing atmosphere that makes every drive feel special. Storage spaces are cleverly designed, offering room for everyday essentials without clutter. Cup holders, door pockets, and center console storage all feel thoughtfully placed. Move to the rear seats and the HR-V continues to impress. Legroom is generous for a compact SUV, and headroom remains excellent thanks to the smart roofline design. Passengers feel comfortable, supported, and relaxed. The flat floor enhances space, making the rear cabin feel surprisingly open. Cargo space is where practicality meets intelligence. The rear seats fold down effortlessly, creating a versatile load area that adapts to your life. Whether it's groceries, luggage, sports gear, or weekend adventures, the HR-V is ready. Honda's smart packaging makes the most of every inch, proving once again that thoughtful engineering matters more than size alone. Under the hood, the 2026 Honda HR-V delivers reliability you can trust. The engine is refined, efficient, and smooth, designed to balance performance with everyday usability. Power delivery is linear and predictable, making city driving effortless and highway cruising relaxed. It's not about aggressive acceleration, it's about confidence, smoothness, and control. The transmission works seamlessly with the engine, delivering smooth shifts and optimal efficiency. Every input feels refined, every response feels measured. This is a powertrain designed for real life, not spec sheet bragging rights. Fuel efficiency remains a strong point, reinforcing the HR-V's role as a smart, economical choice without sacrificing comfort or style. You spend less time at the pump and more time enjoying the drive. That's real value. On the road, the HR-V feels composed and stable. The suspension absorbs bumps with ease, smoothing out rough surfaces while maintaining excellent body control. Steering is precise and predictable, making the car feel light on its feet. Whether navigating tight urban streets or cruising on open highways, the HR-V adapts effortlessly. Noise insulation is impressive. Road and wind noise are kept well under control, creating a peaceful cabin environment. The result is a driving experience that feels refined and relaxing, even on longer journeys. Safety is where Honda truly raises the bar. The 2026 HR-V comes equipped with advanced driver assistance technologies designed to protect and support you at every moment. Honda sensing features work quietly in the background, providing confidence without intrusion. Adaptive cruise control maintains safe distances. Lane keeping assist gently guides you back when needed. Collision mitigation braking adds an extra layer of reassurance. These systems don't overwhelm, they empower. They make driving feel safer, calmer, and more confident. This is peace of mind built into every mile. The HR-V isn't just a vehicle, it's a companion for modern life. It fits seamlessly into busy schedules, spontaneous plans, and everyday routines. It's equally at home in a luxury showroom as it is on city streets or weekend escapes. What makes the 2026 Honda HR-V truly special is how complete it feels. There are no weak links. No obvious compromises. Every element works together in harmony. Design, comfort, technology, efficiency, and safety all blend into a single, cohesive experience. In white, under bright showroom lights, the HR-V looks like a concept car brought to life. Clean, modern, confident, it reflects Honda's commitment to quality and longevity, offering a vehicle that will feel just as relevant years from now as it does today. This is not a car built to impress for a moment. This is a car built to be lived with, trusted, and enjoyed every single day. It doesn't demand attention, it earns loyalty. The 2026 Honda HR-V represents a future where simplicity meets sophistication, where technology supports rather than distracts, and where design serves purpose. It's proof that progress doesn't have to be loud to be powerful. This is the HR-V, refined, intelligent, and ready for the road ahead.